Start tonight out on the coast where there is storm damage caused by an EF-0 tornado. Winds estimated at about 70 miles an hour.
We have team coverage of this weather alert. Let's begin with Lisa Balick live tonight near Manzanita with a look at the damage that tornado caused. Lisa?
Yeah, this is the area where they got a lot of damage, and it's interesting they call it an EF-0, but take a look. I want to show you. This is the path. You can see actually on the ground the debris that was blown out by this tornado. This house here, this brown house behind me, 6 windows blown out. It got the brunt of the damage. Now, we went inside today, the vacation home. This happened, by the way, just after 11 o'clock this morning. Now, the home's not occupied. The rental manager says she was shocked to get a text about a tornado, and she's grateful when she arrived that the damage was not worse. Now, there was also damage next door to a home. That home had roof damage. There was clearly a lot of debris that was flying around in this. Pieces of nearby fence torn off, rocks from a construction site, yard furniture tossed around. Up the hill we found behind the homes, there were trees shorn off and blown over, and there was even some debris on Highway 101 just past the trees. Everyone here very thankful that this wasn't worse.
And I get the text message, tornado, the view house was hit, 6 windows blown out. It's a shocker.
It was a lot of second homes up here. We weren't getting a lot of reports, so that's why I jumped in the car to come up. There's always in the back of your mind after you saw what happened in Manzanita that the potential is there that we could see it again.
Now, construction workers nearby report they saw a water spout over the ocean that made land, and then they say there was a downpour of hail. There may be more reports of damage as people get home from work in the next couple hours and take a look around their properties. And some people actually are joking around this area, saying that this may become the tornado belt of the Oregon coast. We'll keep you posted, and people are saying, well, they hope that this was it for the rest of the year. Live near Manzanita, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Let's talk